Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with the Whisper of the Day for May 9th. Before we get to today's whispers, let's talk about yesterday. Yesterday was a tough day, right? We had an inside candle on the SPY. And whenever we have a really big day like we did on May 7th, usually the next day, not such great movement. But today, today looks very interesting. But there was one stock on the Whisper that rocked, Electronic Arts. This was an amazing retracement trade. So hope you got a piece of this. So when I talk about retracement, doesn't mean I'm bullish or bearish. It's just a trade in the opposite direction to retrace either towards resistance or support. So I have quite a few of those. So let's start with the SPY. The SPY hit the 50 simple moving average overnight. Had a feeling that was going to happen. So today I'm going to be bullish above 287, and that's going to be retracement trade back up to resistance. So we have 287.50, 288, 288.25, but bearish below 286. Okay, that's a really key level. Going down, we are still below all of the big dark pool prints. Let's go to the QQQ. We are going to be bullish above 185. And again, that is a retracement trade, right? Back up till we hit resistance. Because you can see every time we've gone far away from this 4 EMA, right? We've retraced back up. We've retraced back up. So that is a very popular pattern. So those are going to be my bull levels on the major indexes. Retracing back up. I'm going to be bearish below 184.50. Let's go to the DIA. We're going to be bullish above to 60.50. So that's if we break above the 4, we'll most likely would retrace back up to the 8 EMA resistance. But I'm going to be bearish below 258. A lot of room to the downside. Really no support till we get down here to these moving averages. Intel got slammed yesterday. No surprise after seeing those massive prints on SMH, the semiconductor ETF, as well as SOXS. That's the bear ETF for the semis. So the prints always come first before the news. So today, Intel, we will be bullish only above 49, bearish below 47.87. There's a big seller on the iNet book this morning. Let's see if he's still here. Yes, he is. See this guy? There's the big seller. So it'd only be bullish above that if it can break above that. Sometimes they spoof. Yeah, that means they move. They're not real. It starts to go up there, and then all of a sudden they move their offer. They move it down the line, higher priced. But that is something that you definitely want to watch out for if you have the book. I highly suggest you have these ECN books if you don't. ROKU, Roku, fantastic. Andrew's rocking this in the pit, by the way. Great job, Andrew TV. Today, I did see a seller on the ARCA book this morning. Actually, a few we did. So he was at 72.40. And it's funny because he's not there anymore. I can actually show you a picture of him earlier there. Yeah, see? He was here earlier, 72.40, and there's a seller at 72.90. But you can see now he's no longer at 70. He was spoofing. He's still at 72.90. Very interesting. I love it. All right, so that's a key level to watch if we do go up there, but I will be bullish above 72.50. Bearish below 70, that's a retracement trade down to support. Let's go to Micron, MU. This has been an amazing whisper this week. We are touching down on a pretty major moving average, this 120 simple moving average. I will be bullish above 39. That's a retracement trade back up. Bearish below 38.50. 37. If we break below right now, we are a big giant doji. It's an indecision candle. Let's go to China. Yeah, a lot of us, FXI. We had massive prints yesterday on GXC. Remember I told you about that? Well, I sent you a push notification. Very unusual. We never get big prints on this. I never even heard of this China ETF. It doesn't trade a lot of volume, but yesterday, massive print came in, 737,000. So somebody obviously knew something, but I don't trade this. This is not liquid enough. FXI. We also had a big print on that, 42.41 million. Keith C, new trader in my room, called out the strangle on it. Awesome call out. I took that and it looks like we're going to score today. So bullish above 42.50 and bearish below 41.50. Disney had earnings. They were expecting a $5 move at least, and it really has not moved anywhere. So this could be a great day trade today. We're going to be bullish above 136 and bearish below 133. Let's go to MRO. This one had a big print yesterday. I love trading this one when we have dark pool activity. 500,000 shares printed at 1568. Is this the bottom? I don't know, but I'm going to be bullish above 1575. There's that first trade up to here, up to the 8 EMA. It's going to have resistance. It would have to pull back, and then if it can pull above, then we would have another trade up. But I will be bearish below 1537. If it is selling, right, we're not going to hold this trend line. Look out below. So we have one more, ABEV. Massive prints have been coming in for 2 full days for ABEV. You can see high volume bars. And 12 million printed yesterday between 452 and 454. Yeah, that's enormous. So we're going to be bullish above 460 and bearish below 440. This could be a great swing trade. We'll see how it closes today. So there you have it. Those are your whispers of the day. Until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.